Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just a mobile mechanic tip. I'm gonna get down and I'm gonna get straight to the point. Customer has a Hyundai Sonata. It's flickering. The stuff inside the car, you can hear the relays just going crazy. Customer cannot figure out what the problem is. Well, I think I've already tightened this up right here, which is the positive battery post. And no matter how much you tighten it up, it's still loose. This piece right there needs to be replaced. Not the whole thing, but if he buys this piece right here only, takes that nut off, slides it off, and then boom, now this will get tight. No matter what, this is not going to get tight. And as the car is bouncing up and down, this is what it's going to do. And if it drives it like that too much, the battery is never going to get charged. It's going to kill the alternator. The alternator from the computer is going to be trying to compensate, but you can't do that. Also, if that terminal actually pops off, there's a high probability you can mess up the computer inside of it. The computer has to be grounded. So with that being said, this terminal from the dealership needs to be replaced. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Please leave positive comments. Thank you.